Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about how to organize your cosmetic bag. When was the last time you looked through your cosmetic bag and felt like, oh my goodness, there are a lot of things going on in here that I am not using, haven't used for a long time, or they're all broken and crumbly and they're making a big mess. So what you want to do is, of course, dump everything out of your cosmetic bag onto a paper towel or a towel or something, and then clean out your cosmetic bag and put the things back in your cosmetic bag that you absolutely use. Be ruthless and don't use those 3 deadliest words just in case. You want to keep your cosmetic bag most current with the things that you are using that look good on you and that are fresh. Fresh meaning that anything that is 6 to 12 months, that's it. Nothing that's been in there for years and years. Also, you want to make sure that you clean your brushes on occasion. So you want to do that every, I would say about once a month. And if you've got good hair brushes, sable hair brushes, makeup brushes, then you wash them with a little bit of shampoo and conditioner and let them dry overnight. This keeps the bacteria away from them and keeps them fresh and long lasting. A good set of brushes can last you, many years, like 20 or 30 years if you care for them properly. Now there's all kinds of other tips in the article below. So check it out on how to organize your cosmetic bag. You want to keep it current, fresh, up to date, and age gracefully with a look that suits you. In the meantime, check out GettingItTogether.ca for more timely tips.